Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another video of Engineering Pritam. Today in this video, again I am going to talk about 3D printer and we're going to do unboxing of its one of a very important accessory. As we know, I am actually from India, and if we talk about the temperature here and the region I belong, we have got all different season, be it summer season, winter season, rainy season. And due to this, if you are doing 3D printing, you will face a challenge due to relative humidity. And I would say this challenge is not only limited to 3D printing, but when we talk about injection molding or any other plastic processing process, if you are not controlling the temperature, if you are not controlling the environment, you will see undesirable result in terms of making sure that your part is within spec. And I am very particular about the quality and dimension of the product. So this is why, in order to control the parameters or the environment what we are feeding inside 3D printer, I bought this particular equipment. So this is 3D filament dryer, comes from Creality. Creality, as we know, is one of very famous known company in 3D printing domain. And let's quickly unbox this product. So I ordered this from Amazon. It cost me less than 5,000, which to me I think is a good deal. So let's see what comes inside. And so let's open this, and probably I can simply open it like this. Okay, I can keep the box away, and this looks like this. These filament dryer became even more important when we try to print PETG or ABS, because what generally happen is these elements are more susceptible to the humidity that exists in ambient air. So PETG, ABS, they will soak up the humidity from air, and then you're going to see your print won't be that reliable. And of course you will see the property of material will also degrade. So this is the reason actually, I started my 3D printing journey in 2015, but I quit in between because I love quality, and 3D printing technology of that time was not mature enough. But I think after around a decade, again I am starting my 3D printing journey, and now I think there are these kind of equipment that are going to improve the overall process. Alright, so it looks quite good and very compact. So let me open it up, which is pretty straightforward. And here we have got this guide, I think, probably, which kind of talk about like how we can assemble filament here. So I'm gonna keep it aside. And it also comes with this PTFE tube, so that will go here. Probably I can also see how it goes. Alright, so here I have got this roll of PETG Pro from Elegoo. So let me open this up. And all you need to do is you need to take this out, and probably I'm gonna cut it from here, and we need to place it like this. I'm gonna also take out these silica gel. Probably I can keep it aside and can insert a filament. Now I can place this roll here, and now I can close this lid. Maybe I think I should keep it a little bit behind so that we can see it. And now I can close this. Although I would say this is not properly seal tight, but it should work perfectly fine. Now we have got this roll assembled, and all I need to do is I need to turn it on. So let me insert the cable here. Now let's turn this thing on. Now here you're going to see the screen. So, and I think here we need to take this film first, as it is written in it. And then now I'm gonna turn this thing on. Now here we need to select the material. So that's kind of nice, like there is already optimized value decided. So I'm gonna say PETG, and then I'm gonna turn this thing on. You can also set up the timing, and there you go. So we have this thing ready. And if I could show you here the value of relative humidity, which is around 71. So this is exactly what I was talking about. So if you are also living in area like me, it became even more important for us to make sure that there are less number of variable so that we get the predictable result. So this is about this dryer, and I think below 5,000 rupees INR, it makes sense to buy this because it's going to dry this 360 degree, which is kind of nice. I can also see the value of relative humidity is now decreasing. Now it became around 55%. So if you have got any question related to this dryer, please do let me know in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you with that. And if you are new to the channel, well, we cover variety of engineering topics, be it mechanical design, project management, product development, and now even this prototyping. So if you are interested in watching these kind of videos, then make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam, where we together can share our thoughts. So make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.